Creating social media posts takes way too much time. You'll have to come up with ideas, write captions, find images, and by the time you're done, you have spent hours on just one post. But what if I told you there's a tool that does all of that for you in seconds? In this video, I'm showing you Keoo AI and exactly how to use it to generate social media posts from any content you already have, whether it's articles you've read, YouTube videos, or documents. I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, and I'll show you how to schedule your posts so you can plan everything in advance. Let's get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. All right, so I'm on the Keoo AI platform right now. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so you can check it out. You can see on the left here, we've got a bunch of different tools, but the one we're using today is this social post option. So I'm gonna click on that, and then we're gonna click on new post. So this is where it gets really cool. Keoo AI asks you to add a source. And basically what that means is you can take content you already have and turn it into social posts. You're not starting from scratch, which is the best part. So look at all these options. You can use text, like if you've written something down or you have a blog post. You can paste in an article URL from anywhere online. You can drop in a YouTube link, a TikTok link. You can upload audio files, or even upload documents like PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoint presentations, whatever you've got. It takes all of that and creates social posts from it. Let me start with the easiest one, just using text. So I'll click on text here and you'll see this box pops up where you can paste whatever you want. Let's say I wrote something earlier about productivity tips or whatever topic you're working on. I'm just gonna paste that in here. Now, when you click on add, it's going to ask you to select which platforms you want to post to. Look at this. You've got TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, X, which is Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and even YouTube. You can pick as many as you want, but for this demo, I'm just gonna select TikTok right here. And then I'll click on next. And just like that, Keoo AI has already created the post for me. It wrote this whole caption about working smarter and achieving more. It even added hashtags at the bottom: productivity, life hacks, success, all of that. And look, it generated an image for the post too. This cozy workspace photo that fits perfectly with the productivity theme. Now, if you don't like what it created, you can just click on regenerate right here, and it'll give you a completely different version. Or you can click redo to go back and change something. You can also hit copy if you want to paste this somewhere else, or add media if you want to upload your own image instead of using the one it generated. And when you're happy with it, you just click publish right here, and it'll post it to TikTok for you. That's literally it. From pasting text to having a ready to post piece of content in like 30 seconds. Now let me show you something even cooler. Go back and click on article. This one is amazing because let's say you read an article this morning that you thought was interesting and you want to share it with your audience, right? Instead of trying to summarize it yourself and write a whole post about it, you literally just grab the URL, paste it right here in this field, and Keoo AI does the rest. It reads the entire article, pulls out the key points, and writes social media posts for you. Like, imagine how much time that saves. Same thing with YouTube videos. Click on YouTube here, and you can paste any YouTube link. So if you make videos yourself and you want to promote them on social media, or if you watched a video that had some great insights you want to share, just drop the link in here. Keoo watches the video, or reads the transcript more accurately, and creates posts based on what's in that video. It's perfect for repurposing content. You make one video, and now you've got multiple social posts from it without doing any extra work. And then there's this document option, which honestly blew my mind when I first saw it. Click on document and you can upload pretty much any file: PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, PowerPoint presentations, all of that. So think about this. You have a business report, or maybe you gave a presentation at work, or you have some research document. Instead of manually going through it and trying to figure out what to post about it, you just upload the file here, and Keoo AI generates the posts for you. That's crazy, right? Just click upload document, find your file, and you're done. All right, so after Keoo generates your posts, you don't have to publish them right away. You can schedule them, which is super helpful. Click on scheduler over here on the left. Now you can add a title for your post, write or tweak the caption that Keoo made for you, and if you want, you can upload an image to go with it. Make it more visual, you know? Then down here you can either click schedule to pick a specific date and time for it to post, or if you want it to go out right now, just hit run do now and it'll publish immediately. And you can see all your upcoming scheduled posts right here, so you can plan out your whole week or month of content and not have to think about it every single day. Keoo AI also keeps everything organized for you too. If you click on published posts, you can see everything you've already posted. And if for some reason something didn't work, you can check failed posts to see what went wrong and fix it. It's all just right here in one place, so you're not scrambling trying to remember what you posted or when. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You take whatever content you already have, whether it's text, an article, a video, audio, a document, literally anything, and Keoo AI turns it into social media posts instantly. No more sitting there trying to think of what to write. You can create posts in seconds, schedule them ahead of time, and every everything stays organized. Honestly, if you manage social media for yourself or for a business, this is a game changer. The link to Keoo AI is in the description of this video. Go try it out and see how much faster this makes everything. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I share a lot of helpful videos here. Like and share and watch the next video showing on the screen.